Hi friends, and welcome to our presentation on prompt engineering. Have you ever typed something into ChatGPT or another chatbot and got a response that wasn't what you expected? What if I told you that by changing the way you ask, you could get much better answers? This is where prompt engineering comes in. In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine asking a friend for help. If you just say, "Explain AI," they might not know how much detail to give. But if you say, "Explain AI like I'm 5, suddenly they simplify it. That's exactly what prompt engineering does, helping AI give better responses by being specific. Personally, I usually prefer books like For Dummies because they break down complex topics into simple, easy to understand explanations. That's the same mindset I use when prompting AI. So, let's begin with direct prompting or basic prompting. Direct prompting is the simplest way to ask AI a question. But if your question is too vague, the answer might not be what you expected. Instead, try to add details to guide the response. Chain of thought or COT prompting forces AI to think step by step, just like we do when solving a problem, a process which in the AI world is known as reasoning. So instead of jumping straight to an answer, it breaks it down logically, thus reducing errors and improving accuracy. Like in the example, it's like showing your work in math class. When AI reasons through each step, the results are much more reliable. Zero-shot prompting means asking AI to answer without any prior examples, relying only on its knowledge, just like the example we see. A key difference from direct prompting is that all zero-shot prompts are direct prompts, but not all direct prompts are zero-shot, as direct prompts may or may not include examples. Few-shot prompting, on the other hand, provides a couple of examples to guide the AI's response. By doing this, we improve accuracy and ensure the AI understands the pattern we expect. One of the coolest ways to prompt AI is by giving it a role. If you tell it to act like a professor, a chef, or even a historical figure, it tailors its response to fit that personality. This makes responses more engaging and informative. Sometimes the first answer AI gives isn't quite right, but if you ask it to refine, improve, or be more emotional, it will enhance its response. This is super useful for creative writing and brainstorming. Prompt engineering isn't just for fun, it's being used in real-world applications like chatbots, coding assistants, and even AI-powered tutoring. So the better you get at prompting, the more powerful AI becomes as a tool. The key takeaway from this presentation is simple. Better prompts lead to better AI responses. Whether you are using chain of thought for logical reasoning, role-based prompting for expertise, or few-shot prompting for pattern recognition, your ability to communicate effectively with AI will determine how useful it is. Keep experimenting, refining, and improving your prompts to unlock AI's full potential. Thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you found the subject as exciting as I did. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.